A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and good evening or good afternoon it still is. But welcome to this video in which I wanted to do an update on the Hashflow and the Hashflow token, HFT. Covered this 2 days ago. There, the analysis was pretty accurate, as most of you still remember probably, hopefully. What I said is that 75 and 70 cents was probably too strong of a resistance level. I did think we would drop down more, but what I said is that we would probably find resistance there, consolidate down here, and then at some point break above that and get to our next price target around 85 cents. Well, we reached 85 cents, but we also reached even higher. I mean, Hashflow has been very bullish. To me, the reasons behind it still remain fairly unclear, which is always kind of a red flag to me, but I could have missed something. If I'm missing something, let me know. Because if we take a look at the volume, most of the volume for Hashflow is actually coming from credible sources. I don't see clear manipulation for Hashflow from the volume. And if you take a look at some of the price movements, it doesn't look clearly manipulated either. In the end, this could just be normal market behavior. Hashflow is a great project. It has a great platform. It's the platform I use the most for decentralized trades, or if I have to convert some crypto into other cryptos. So yeah, it's I'd say 150 million market cap valuation is even undervalued compared to the bull market highs I think we're going to hit with Hashflow. But yeah, no new news I could identify, but we have been very bullish. But so that is a little bit of a red flag, but not too much. So we reached this resistance level at 95 cents. Now, in my opinion, the next real resistance level is around $1.05, which is pretty weird, but it doesn't seem like $1 is going to be that strong. It's really about 95 and 1.05. So the big question is can we reach 1.05? And the answer is yes. But we need to hold this level around 81 and 85 cents, which is what we're challenging right now. And it looks as if it's more likely to fall. So that will drop down below 81 cents, drop down to this level between 70 and 70 cents then. And if we can hold that, again, I do think that at some point we'll be able to break above 84 and get up to $1.05. But it's, yeah, I mean, this is not guaranteed. It depends on a lot of market circumstances. So I'd say initially, it's all about that 85, 81 cents level. If we can actually hold that until the beginning of next week, so until Monday morning, then I think we're going to go up to 1.05 easily. Break above 95 cents, get up to 1.05. And from there, we'll see again. I'll make sure to make an update to discuss whether we can actually get higher than that and perhaps get up to this level around 1.15. But for now, that's my price target. But yeah, as I said, with the bearish momentum we are having right now, and with us having hit a major resistance level around 95 cents, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a very strong resistance level. It looks more likely that we'll break 81 cents as a support, find some support at 75 cents or 77 cents, and then drop down to 75, 70 cents, where we will consolidate. And if the markets remain bullish, break above 84, 85 cents again somewhere next week. So that's my take on the Hashflow and the HFT token for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.